bitch ass nigga.
Yeah. Ass folk. Now I'm on your ass folk. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here. Oh, bitch. I'm gonna beat your motherfucking ass. Come here, hoe. Oh, he just killed me. Babe, go get my revenge. Go get revenge for me. Please. I'm gonna beat your ass too. You like that shit.
Who's this bitch right here?
Me, the purple bitch.
It always happen with
you. Wow. Hey.
We in they shit.
Bitch.
Smack their ass.
I did just.
I'm gonna go on this shit. What they got in this bitch?
Hello.
Damn, I died.
I just clapped her shit again. Get up, mama. So I can clap you again. Get up. Come on, get up. Get up. Come here, bitch. Come here, bitch. Ain't no running. Ain't no running.
Yeah,
you can run, but you can't hide. I just slapped her shit again.
I died.
You went through the laser split? Yeah, I know.
That fucking wall.
Damn, that pussy.
Bitch.
Pussy.
Come out the door. Come out. Damn.
Oh shit.
Somebody just died. He put spot back up. Back.
We terrorizing everybody in this bitch.
Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? Punk ass nigga.
Oh shit. I'm getting the hiccups now.
What?
Nothing. Farted. I was supposed to be in a video. Oh shit. Just gonna have to wait for right now. I got money to spend. They went doo 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 doo. Oh my god. Jesus. I think.
Thought you robbed me.
Excuse me. Oh my god. That was a good one, wasn't it?
I'm about to be surprised me every time.
Did you just buy that laser wall? You're like, what the fuck? Shit.
Well, I guess I just got the magic touch. Bless you.
Thank you. Oh shit. That one made me squirt a little. No. Bitch! The bitch is here, babe. Oh shit! She done knocked me down the stairs, man. Help me! Yes, come here, bitch. Come here, hoe. Come here, hoe. Go, come here, hoe. Bitch! Fuck you talking about? Killed that goofy asshole. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit, my stomach hurting. I got a little bit too much air for now. You heard me back? That's a pussy move to take. Ooh, shit. Whew, that was a good one. Babe, where you at? Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You join me?
Your character
We over
fat as
here.
hell.
Yours is too.
My character been fat.
Left or right? No. Oh, they do got boxes. I'm finna go collect them. Got
$60.
how much?
60. Fucking damn fine.
Ooh, damn. That was good. What the hell? So, the crazy thing, if you... Fuck them buttons. I'm trying to get 1,200. You only got $114? Fine, we could definitely do that.